Hello guys, here's Programming to Inspire, and today we're gonna create a folder, call it res. We'll put our images in there that I already created. So this is a background.png and it's 800 by 500, and others are 33 by 33, and we will put them into res folder. Now we have to connect our res folder with our project, so go to the properties, Java build path, and here go to the project, no, to the libraries, add library, add class folder, and check the res checkbox. And when res folders turns like this with an icon in the bottom, it's alright. Now create a new class sprite and put it in the com.programmingtoinspire.snake.graphics package. And now we will here we will import our images. Private int width and height, that's what every sprite has, and private int array of pixels. Now the constructor public sprite in the parameter string path to the image, try and catch statement, catch exception, print e.print stack trace, buffered image is equal to image io dot read sprite dot class dot get resources, and put the path in the parameter. Width is equal to image dot get width, and height is equal to image dot get height. Pixels is equal to image dot get RGB, 0 width, height, null 0, and width for the scan size. Now let's create variables that will hold our images. Public static sprite head is equal to new sprite, com dot /head.png, that means that it is in the same folder as our project. Body and foot, and background, bg. I will probably put those images into the description, or you can create your own.